Escape to the magical archipelago of the Philippines, where endless adventures and warm smiles await you. Picture yourself stepping onto one of over 7,000 stunning islands, each boasting pristine beaches that rival the world's best. Feel the powdery sands of Boracay between your toes, dive into the crystalline waters of Palawan, and ride the legendary surf of Siargao. The Philippines is truly an island paradise like no other. Beyond its natural beauty, the Philippines offers a rich tapestry of culture and history. Immerse yourself in the vibrant traditions and colorful festivals that bring the streets to life. Savor the diverse cuisine, a delicious fusion of flavors influenced by a mosaic of cultures. From the savory adobo to the sweet halo-halo, every dish tells a story of the Filipino people's heritage and love of food. For thrill seekers and nature lovers alike, the Philippines is an adventure playground. Imagine diving alongside gentle whale sharks in Oslo, or trekking through the ancient beauty of the Banaway Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the lush rainforests, hidden waterfalls and majestic mountains that offer endless possibilities for exploration and wonder. But what truly sets the Philippines apart is the incomparable warmth of Filipino hospitality. Experience a level of friendliness and generosity that makes you feel at home no matter where you come from. It's no wonder visitors often return, drawn back by the heartfelt connections made here. The Philippines is also committed to sustainable tourism, ensuring that its breathtaking landscapes and rich resources are preserved for future generations. By supporting local communities and protecting the environment, the Philippines offers a model for responsible travel. Get ready to create unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise, where every moment is an adventure and every smile a welcome.